Unlock the secrets of successful selling with a comprehensive dive into the world of sales methodologies. This video unveils a feature-packed training module for improving seller skills and maximizing success. Delve into each sales methodology, exploring it step by step. The aim is to gain a deep, hands-on understanding of its inner workings with intuitive graphics and content that is easy to follow. If you want to access this helpful resource to build a top-notch sales team, download this module from the given link. Explore spin selling, the 4 stages of question sequences a salesperson should ask a prospect. When expanded, spin spells situation, problem, implication, need, payoff. Discover the challenger sale model as well, which empowers sales professionals to challenge and reshape customers' thinking, ultimately driving far more successful sales outcomes. The other sales models you will explore include need selling, describing need, economic impact, access to authority, and timeline to drive meaningful sales interactions. Download this PowerPoint presentation to deliver impactful training on sales methodologies. The PPT training deck also covers the MEDDPICC methodology. This equips sales professionals with a powerful framework to navigate and close complex sales opportunities. Want more? Gain access to a host of innovative sales techniques that go beyond the conventional, including snap selling, the Sandler system, gap selling, and others. Elevate your sales team's training to a world-class level with these proven methodologies. Invest in this training module today and make effective selling your strength. Download now. For more such world-class presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.